Good medical morning. This is Watson, the Crown Prince of Popping, and today we're going to look at several bizarre case studies. First, we'll tell you about why this Zambian woman's bone is poking out of her hand. Then, stick around for the story of this construction accident. The first set of images comes to us from a medical professional in Zambia. The 20-something female was bitten by an unknown species of snake about 2 months prior. She initially sought care from a local healer, but subsequent infection degraded her condition. Stick around because I'll tell you about how the local doctors treated it in a moment. Before we continue, where are our followers from? Leave a comment below with your location, and read through and see if anyone is from your area. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell for updates. Okay, so here is the drill incident. We posted these images on Instagram, asking people how they would treat it. One follower said, "You're screwed." Back to our original case, a local MD decided to treat the infection with antibiotics, then amputate the finger. That's unfortunate. I really wish it could have been saved, but it also could have been worse. If you like that story, click like and stick around for a word from Thynergy.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this opening triple Lutz, triple toe loop combination.
Yeah!
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Thynergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Karen sold it.